Let's walk through the tutorial by example together. Here on the screen I have for you the syllabus outline for an online unit of instruction. This is an example that I created using Ms. Humphrey's 3rd grade language arts class. She's not a real person that I happen to know, although there may be a Ms. Humphreys out there who teaches 3rd grade. I don't know her. And the personal information is made up. But what I'd like for you to do is to use this example to guide your own development of your syllabus. Here on the far left column, we have the various headings that you need to respond to next to the column. Then in the far right column, I have self-check questions. These questions are really going to help you do well in creating a syllabus that meets the INACOL standards that we have for this class in the checklist. So in my example, I provide you the text here in the center, and then I also provide you with an explanation. I do a little self-assessment. How well did I do in course information in terms of providing information like course title, instructor information, grade level? Did I do all that well? The answer was yes. And then next to that, just below it, I have a description, an explanation as to why I believe that I did a good job of that, and then also any resources that you may need in order to complete your own syllabus. So in some cases I have some links for you. For example, here, when you're writing your learning outcomes, we have some objectives that you will be writing. Well, when you're answering those questions, if you have trouble writing objectives, I have a resource for you to click on that you can then take a tutorial by Radio James, which is at Arizona State University. And so I'd like for each of you to not only complete your template, but then also conduct a self-check. And then when you believe that you've done a great job and you've asked someone else to check it for you, then you can turn in your syllabus. After you've turned in your syllabus, you'll need to conduct an evaluation of 3 peers' syllabi. And you'll be using the same self-check method, using that checklist, and hopefully everyone will get 17 out of 17 criteria. But if not, you need at least 14 in order to get an 80% on this assignment. Now that we've walked through the tutorial, you have a better idea of the syllabus you'll be creating. I strongly recommend that you use the template. The template will make it easier for your peers to evaluate your work. Speaking of peer evaluation, you'll be evaluating the syllabi written by 3 of your classmates. The criteria for a successful syllabus are the same for everyone. Please keep in mind that some peers are not classroom teachers. Also, some are not native English speakers. The objectives for this module are at the introductory level, and your evaluation of your peers should represent introductory expectations. Be kind and be helpful with your evaluation and comments.